Jody?
Hi, are you busy?
Technically I'm not busy and I'm driving.
Okay, come round quick. I have an idea and I really need you here to help.
Right now?
Yes, now.
Fine. Yeah. I'll be 15 minutes, but I'm picking up something and then I'll come round after.
Perfect. Oh, that was quicker than I thought. I am so glad you're here, T. I'm sorry that it was so last minute.
It's okay. It's been a few weeks since I've seen you anyways, and we have so much to catch up on.
First, I want to discuss an idea that I had earlier.
What idea?
I want to throw a graduation pool party. No better way to kick off summer than cold drinks, great food, and a cool pool. What's up?
It's a good idea, but it will take a lot of work, and I've never even seen you guys use the pool outside.
I know. Since we moved here, we have never used the pool. It's been empty, and we can't seem to work the hose to fill it either.
Well, you have to fill it.
I know.
What's funny?
Well, we certainly ain't going to fill it, but with my favourite drink, Calypso.
Calypso?
It fits the colour theme I had in mind too. Blue. The crazy thing about it too is the colour may convince people that it's actually a pool filled with water.
Oh my gosh. Jody.
Yes, T.
How are we going to do that?
Let me show you. Come on.
You know, this would be a pretty cool place to throw a pool party. I think I really like the idea, but we're going to have to figure out a way to fill this pool, and it's going to take a lot of work.
I agree, but we can do it. I know you would be great help.
Okay, the first thing we have to do is find out the capacity of this pool. Do you know it?
Nope, no idea.
Okay, we're probably going to have to figure this out ourselves then.
Any ideas?
Well, we need to calculate the volume of this pool. I remember Mr. Grad teaching us briefly years ago. You should still remember it. Do you?
No, I actually don't. Do you?
I actually do. So, well, first things first, fetch the tape measure while I explain. So, it's best to clarify what volume actually is. Volume is the measure of how much space a three-dimensional shape takes up. In the case of a swimming pool, we are dealing with cuboids. And to calculate the volume of a cuboid, you must calculate the area of its cross-section first. And highlighted is the cross-section of the cuboid we are using as an example here too.
Okay, I think I briefly remember. This rule applies to prisms also, doesn't it?
Certainly. Here's an example of a triangular prism. If we wanted to calculate its volume, we would first of all calculate the area of the cross-section, which is indeed the triangle, and then multiply it by its perpendicular length. This would mean you would have to have known how to calculate the area of a triangle first. Here's the formula as a reminder.
Now, back to the pool.
Okay, yes, the pool. Well, the cuboid. It's not a pool yet because it's empty.
Not for long if you solve it.
Yeah, alright. Back to the cuboid. So, to calculate the volume, you could use the previous formula, or you could use this one. Volume equals the length multiplied by the width multiplied by the height. Jody, what's the measurements? I expect you've finished taking them by now.
Yes, the pool is 30 meters long, 10 meters wide, and 2 meters tall.
Wow, that's massive. Okay, so now, these are the values that we're going to substitute into the formula I just gave you.
What happens next?
Well, once we substitute in these values, it's easier to solve. Volume now equals 30 meters multiplied by 10 meters multiplied by 2 meters, and that's 600 meters cubed. Notice the units are now cubic, with the little 3 at the top.
Yeah, I noticed.
Well, this is because volume occupies a three-dimensional space, just like how area occupies two-dimensional spaces. But that's another video.
Yep, is that the answer then? 600 meters cubed?
Well, not quite. What we've measured is the space the pool occupies, but in meters. We need to convert it.
Convert what? And why?
Well, the pool is 600 meters cubed in volume, but liquids are not measured in meters. So we need to convert the cubic meters into liters, and that's quite easy. Okay, look. 1 cubic meter is equivalent to 1,000 liters. Therefore, 600 cubic meters is 600,000 liters of Calypso. And that's over 1 million bottles.
Oh my god. 1 million bottles?
Well, it was your idea.
Wow, okay. Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm definitely sure. I mean, one bottle is about 591 milliliters. So unless they're bigger ones, then I guess you could buy bigger ones.
Okay, I'll get them ordered now.
Aren't you tired of hoping the right candidates see your job posts and apply? It's like trying to find a needle.
Delivery man is here. Time to get ready.
the episode, why not drop us a message at quickmaths@homeschool.com. We can't wait to hear from you.